Hello, everyone. You're talking about Joseph and
सभी को जय मसीह की। आप यूसुफ के बारे में बात कर रहे थे।
one thing that really moves me is how at the end when he's about to reconcile with his brothers,
जो चीज़ ने मुझे उत्साहित किया वो ये थी कि कैसे उसने अपने भाइयों के साथ घनिष्ठता को, मित्रता को बढ़ाया।
and he has really tested them many times to make sure that they had changed.
उन्होंने इस बात को परखना चाहा कितनी बारी अपने भाइयों को कि क्या वो सच में बदल गए हैं या नहीं।
All of a sudden, it's as if the doors of his heart were open and the love of God flooded like open gates.
तब उसने देखा कि हाँ, इनका हृदय बदल गया, तो उसके हृदय से परमेश्वर का प्यार निकला और उनके ऊपर छाया कर गया।
And he not only wants to reconcile, but he also points to God.
वो सिर्फ ये नहीं चाहता था कि उनके साथ मिल जाए, उनको अपने प्यार दिखाए, बट वो ये चाहता था कि उनको परमेश्वर के प्रेम भी बता दे।
And he says so often in that passage, I think it's Genesis 45, God has sent me to save the people. God has sent me. It's not you, it's God who has sent me to Egypt. God who has sent me to save the people and my own family and give food.
उन्होंने ये बात अपने भाइयों को बताया कि उत्पत्ति 45 अध्याय में ये लिखा है कि आपने मुझे नहीं भेजा इस जगह पर, आप नहीं हो मुझे गुलाम में भेजने वाले, ये परमेश्वर का विचार है। उसने मुझे भेजा ताकि मैं अपने परिवार को और अपने देश के लोगों को बचा करके उनके लिए आशीष बन जाऊं।
And all this time, he was able to keep his eyes on God.
और इन सब के बावजूद भी उसके अंदर ये खूबी थी कि उसने अपनी आंखें परमेश्वर पिता की ओर रखी।
It's incredible because he didn't have a Bible. He didn't have fellowship with other, what we would call today,
ये
Christians.
कितना अद्भुत है। उसके पास बाइबल भी नहीं है, उसके पास संगति भी नहीं है, फिर भी उसमें परमेश्वर पिता के लिए डर और जुनून है।
But he had his eyes on God and
लेकिन उसकी आंखें सिर्फ परमेश्वर पर है।
he trusted that God's purposes would be fulfilled.
उसमें ये विश्वास था कि जो परमेश्वर की योजना है मेरे लिए वो पूरी होगी।
And because he trusted,
क्योंकि उसने विश्वास किया,
he didn't have his heart filled with bitterness and revenge.
उसका हृदय अपने भाइयों के परिवार के लिए नफरत से और गुस्से और बदला लेने से भरा नहीं था। He went through very hard time through his own blood. His family never understood him, but God gave him some dreams and he was gripped with those dreams. He didn't lose those dreams by his trials, by his suffering, and he was waiting on God, praying, being holy, keeping himself in holiness, keeping himself in forgiveness and love toward his family. Then God made a way for him to come to abundance, to be blessing. And God granted him a big palace. His dream became true because he gripped with forgiveness and holiness. When you have holiness and forgiveness toward others, those who have harmed you, trying to harm you in your workplace, in your family, in your school, or wherever you are, whether your family member or your relative who have cheated you, who have robbed you, if you love them, forgive them, then you will see the blessings of God. You are gonna be on next level in the name of Yeshua. Amen.